Yeah, rather good morning. I have the next device here is also a wasp, like these other two that I made a video of. It is, let me just get this. This is a AVO, it's 100,000 pups, 4 channel. This is a 60,000 pups, a 3 channel. This one is a 2 channel, but yeah, you select, yeah, you make your selection. And there's a strawberry, raspberry candy, and cherry color ice. It has a 40,000 puffs, double flavor. And there's your USB charge in your air inputs. And let's just see if what display it has. Switch off the lights here. It gives a 54% and its power. All of them have different displays that you but they make funny stuff here. Okay, let's just open this thing and see if you want to refill it, how you're gonna open this thing. I don't know how you're gonna get this thing. I just want to put it in a vice quickly and pull it and just get it over. Okay, I'm back here, but it looks like if they glue it here somehow. So I don't know if you will be able to open it. You can see there. So you actually rip all the stuff out here. You can see there's your two vacuum devices. It sends the vacuum and then it activates that specific element. And there's your battery with your PCBs inside here. Then if you can open this thing, they all glue a double side tape with something, but you don't have to open there. And obviously there's your, they just check this element, looks a little bit different. Okay, let's just put this back, and here's your top. You can just maybe clean there if there's any fluid there. You can fill it. Okay, and let's just plug it back. Okay, a nice color, nice pink. It's amazing how they make these things and you throw them away. Let's just see if they're still working. Looks like it. Okay, there's my story of the Wasp AVO, and hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.